You know what is supposed to happen. Let me see if I can. Here we go.
Let me see Jamaica become crime free. In Jamaica and we're Jamaican for economy. No more prisoner lasting. Revelation set.
It's time for us to get our fingers dirty and I did just do the manicure, but this is important and I actually enjoy playing in the dirt. So today we're going to be stepping into AgroBuzz as is usual. However, we're actually getting wet as we talk about fisheries. And we have Angela Patterson, who's Director of Corporate Services with the National Fisheries Authority. Why? Well, State Minister in the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, Franklin Witter, launched the Many Moods of Tilapia Cooking competition on Monday, the 19th of August, over at Twickenham Park. Now, that competition wants to show the versatility of tilapia, part of the NFA's campaign to increase consumption of this fish. And that is why we've got Mrs. Patterson on the phone to chat with us. Hello, how you do? Angela?
Thank you much, Lee.
There you are. Thanks for coming on in AgroBuzz to have this little chat with us today. And okay, so we know you have the competition because you want more people to eat tilapia. But why do you want more people to eat tilapia?
All right. So first of all, the competition was actually launched on Monday here, September 19th, not August 9th.
Oh.
So we just launched it.
Okay.
And so we are here because, quite frankly, we want people to eat more tilapia. Why do we want to do that? Well, the traditional source of fish, and Jamaicans eat a lot of fish, right? But the traditional sources of fish, what we call reef fishing, is not growing because we are fishing too much, in short. So the growth area for fisheries is in pond fishing. And in Jamaica, our pond fishing features primarily tilapia. There are others, but we'll talk about those another time. So since about March of this year, we've been running a campaign to promote the use and consequently the production of tilapia fish. We have had newspaper ads, we've had social media ads, we've had radio dramas, and so we ever had conceived of a competition. And so now is just the time for the competition. Why?
Well, let's
want people to eat tilapia.
So let's find out more about the competition. Who can enter? What should we do?
Well, anybody can enter. All you need is a creative mind and love cook. Because we want people to enter with a recipe that they have designed for using tilapia.
So like how I love plantain.
Like how you love plantain. Maybe we can have a tilapia stuff with plantain or some such. So all we need is your creativity. So here's how things will work. In the first off, send in your written recipe. So write it down on paper first, right? Then, and the deadline for these entries is 1 month, October 19th. So send in your entries. You're going to send them to fisheries@moa. Hold on a minute. I think I knocked the email wrong. I will tell you that in a minute. But you can email your entries into us.
moa.gov.jm?
.jm. Okay, yes. So send in your recipes, a written recipe, right? So at the deadline, when the deadline comes, October 19th, a group of people here, our judges, we're going to go through them, and we're going to do a little elimination. Eh?
So somebody go and cook and the judges eat? Because then I could be Okay.
So first off is you write it down. Then we're going to, tear it down, eliminate, do a process of culling. And so the next stage, those people will be asked to cook. They'll be asked to create a video of them cooking their recipe.
I don't understand you. How we going to judge it if we're not eating it?
Hold on.
Okay,
so
all right.
Do a video, and then the judges will look at it and do another elimination. And then we have a cook-off. And then out of that cook-off, we will pick the top 3, first, second, and third.
Guest judges for the cook-off?
You want to be a guest judge?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
we
please.
can work that out.
Yes,
work that
please.
out.
Thank you so very much.
We have judges already, but they will do the preliminary round, so we might have some guest judges at the cook-off. So, yes, I write down your name. You will be so invited. And that cook-off, the cook-off, this whole process here should take us down to about December.
Okay.
So the cook-off will be somewhere in early December. We're looking at about the 8th of December, so that we can have an award ceremony. We want to have a nice award ceremony to celebrate our creativity and to reward the people who have trod with us all along this journey. That should be about December 15th.
I like where you're taking us because I want to know what the prizes are. What are we getting at the award ceremony?
So then, the top prize is $100,000. And that has been put forward by Rainforest Caribbean.
Whoa.
And the second prize is $30,000 worth of high-low vouchers, compliments of Bruce Kennedy. And the third prize is $25,000 compliments of Maggie. All of those three top persons will get a gift basket, compliments of Musson, Jamaica. And then the let's call them the first round, second round, there'll be prizes for those, but they will be getting trophies and product, seasoning product from our sponsors. So you go and get money as well as stuff that you can actually use.
That's sounding pretty good.
So we are hoping people will get creative and use all kind of Jamaican things. Now, there's some rules for this now, eh? First of all, you have to use tilapia. I hope that is clear. That tilapia cooking.
It's a tilapia competition, yes.
So nobody cook snapper or them other something there. Tilapia. And then you were going to judge based on use of Jamaican seasoning, how it look, your creativity, the whole thought of what you're putting in it. When we get down to the cook-off, of course, then it's going to be judged on appearance, presentation and taste. So it's a simple competition. Anybody can enter. Anybody. Don't need
and therefore, anybody can win that $100,000 or any of the other prizes. Thank you so much, Angela, for telling us about this.
All right.
And where do people find out more?
Deadline is October 19th. If you could go to fisheries at moa.gov.jm. I meant to tell you the email address for the recipes, and it's tilapia recipes at nfa.gov.jm.
NFA for National Fisheries Authority.
Correct.
NFA.
Tilapia recipes at nfa.gov.jm.
Got it.
Or you can bring it down here to our office. We're at 2C Newport East, Kingston 11. Whatever works for you.
Got it. We're happy that you worked for us this morning, Madame Angela Patterson. Thank you for chatting with us.
Pleasure to be talking to you, Paula. And to you, Derek. Have a good day.
Same to you.
I know today is a significant day, and my best wishes to all of you, okay?
Thank you for your kind words.
All right, then. Take it easy.
Mrs. Angela Patterson, Director of Corporate Services with the National Fisheries Authority. Did you know that the NFA was established in June 2019, responsible for the management and development of fisheries and aquaculture? So you heard the address. Make sure you check them out or visit the website at moa.gov.jm. Follow the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries on Facebook. Check them out on Twitter and Instagram at MOAFJM. And this has been AgroBuzz. So you know what to do. Next week, you can check back in with us as we find out some more. I'm not sure if we're going to get our feet wet or get our hands dirty, but any which way, it's going to be with our friends from farming. Oh gosh, it's 6 minutes. Derek,
6 minutes.